4. The crisis. The dilemma is a very real one, and in terms of the cultural motive, insuperable. Detach law because it is an expression of value from reality, and law as unreal and subjective disappears, as law in the integral sense has disappeared under pragmatic, relativistic and historicistic thinking. Attach law to reality as an aspect of matter or energy, it ceases to be a value and becomes a blind deterministic force hostile to man's liberty. Thus, liberty is dissolved either into myth or into license, and if license becomes anti-law in nature. In terms of the blind force of nature, liberty is no more than determinism and a myth. In terms of the world of value, liberty is again a myth. It has no reality or meaning because it is a part of that unreal world. In terms of atomistic particularity, liberty is anti-law. In terms of the oneness of reality, it is a divisive separation from the wholeness of the unity of being. With the collapse of the dialectic comes mysticism or cynicism. Occultist and mystical books are the unacknowledged, because undignified bestsellers of our day. Modern art and literature are extensively mystical, although not in the medieval sense. They are an openly pagan mysticism. They are dedicated to private and subjective worlds of meaning, and are built on the hatred of and flight from the material world and realism into the vast ocean of unconsciousness considered as true value. The extent of open cynicism in our culture is apparent in such works as Lawrence Lipton's The Holy Barbarians, 1959. Ginsberg's Howl was, at its trial, defended as religious and moral by university professors precisely because it denied all law and morality in favour of a new creed, the equal value or non-value and acceptability of all things. To this new gospel of cynicism, Henry Miller's Tropic for Cancer and other works are dedicated. Today also, as in the days of the Roman circus, marked interest is shown in another natural levelling phenomenon. Bestiality and pornographic films showing trained dogs copulating with women are beginning to appear at smokers and special showings. When meaning is gone and the exploration of reality in terms of fundamental meaning collapses, then the exploration of sensation takes its place. The process in the Greek text of Romans 1:27 is described by Paul as the burning out of man.